Good afternoon. Today we are going to test how to create a silhouette in 3D from an image in black and white taken from the web. And then we are going to test how to add text to this silhouette that we have created. For this we are going to use the following softwares. Some website where we get the image or silhouette. The paint.net, be careful that it is not the paint, to remove non-designed parts of the image. Something that is loose from the image. Remember that to make a 3D product everything has to be together. The Conversion is a program to convert the images to SVG, a vector format that is necessary for most programs that manipulate images. It can be any SVG program. The Tinkercad, then to play with the image, create text or add it, is the easiest program. And the Cura to send it to the printer. In What is Silhouettes, better than this, it is difficult because you can already achieve everything with this. For other types of 3D products, more advanced programs are needed. Well, starting with the test. We are going to go to Pinterest where we get very good images. We are going to look for silhouette. Marriage. This silhouette is very nice. Let's see which silhouette is interesting. This one seems quite interesting to me. We are going to download this silhouette. We put download image. Once we download the image, we are going to open, in this case, the paint.net program. Let's see how the image is. Well, the image looks pretty good. There is nothing to convert here in this image. It is perfect. If there is some text, here we are going to assume that this line exists. We would have to take it out so that there is no loose line. We could take it out. We point it like this. And then we add a white brush. Only to that area. And done. That is to remove any text, anything in the image that is loose. Remember that the image has to be all together. Well, once we are satisfied with the image, we can save it as in JPG or PNG. After having done the image in Paint and removed everything that we do not like about the image, we go to a program that transforms it to SVG. Because all 3D driving programs require SVG, which is a vector protocol. I go to the Conversion. The Conversion is free in a certain amount of images. Then they charge you, but we can continue using other programs similar to this. Now we collect the image. We put Convert. And we wait for it to convert. We put Download the image. We look at how the image was generated. This is in SVG format. Then we go to Tinkercad, which is the simplest program for this type of tasks. We put Create. We create a 3D design. We put a name. Marriage. And we import the image. We look for the image. Silhouette. Marriage. Notice that the image is very large. 626 by 626. And I want it to be 15 centimeters. More or less. Then I pass 25% of the image. The image has about 10 millimeters. It generates it. I need the image of 3 millimeters thicker. More is much. I put it in black because I like silhouettes in black. But it could also be silver or any color. And now what I'm going to create. They are 2 sticks to the silhouette. I'm going to make it a little smaller. It seems a little big to me. Let's put it in 3 millimeters. Because by shrinking it, it shrinks everywhere. And I press the Shift key. Now I'm going to create 2 sticks to the silhouette. Of 3 millimeters too. Because they have to be the same. Let's put it in black. Let's put a stick here. And with the Alt key. And pressing the stick that already exists. I'm going to create the other stick. Then I'm going to join the sticks. I point out the whole image. And one. And that's it. I already have the first silhouette without text added. Next to the text, I put export. I export it to STL, which is the format that is used to then take to the priest, or to any cutter that will take the printer to 3D. Here is preparing the model to export. It's a free program. It's on the web. Sometimes it takes a while. Then I'm going to open this. In the priest in my case, I open the Casamiento topper. And that's it. I already have it. A trick that I usually use is, if I have a textured PEI board, it looks much better on the side. I mean, it looks much better inverted in the image. Because it looks shiny. As long as I have a textured PEI board. On the side, I mean, well, a textured PEI board. Then I segment it. And I'll pass it to my printer. In my case it's a 5C1. Or whatever the printer is. Starting with the second part of the recording. We're going to the Tinkercad again. And we're going to show how to insert a text to this image. We're going to make another image. So we don't get bored. This is a silhouette that I already passed. Also from Pinterest. You can search it on Pinterest if you want. And we're going to add the text. In the names of the people who are here. The first thing I'm going to do is put a stick up. And a stick down. I can design it here. I can tell it to have the same height. 3 millimeters. We put a stick like this. In black. Good. We're going to enlarge the image. We're going to make it a little wider. Here you can go to 0.1. So the displacement is smaller. We put the stick here. Another stick down. And here we have a text tool. This is the most basic. In another video we will show a more complex tool. We give it 3 millimeters. We would have to put it all in capital letters. So that it sticks to the same size. And Frank. Good. We try different types of letters. In this case there are few types of letters. But then we will see a methodology. Where you can choose many types of letters. Serif. It's a little prettier. We put it there. We're going to do the same with this stick. To make it, as for the stops there. The vertical line. And we join everything. Once it joins, we export it. We take it back to Cura. I have a PEI texture plate. And when I invert it, I get a very nice reflection of the texture that the PEI texture plate generates. That's why I put it inverted. I hope you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe.